We are in India's cleanest city. Indore is clean because of the way the people see waste here. Let's experience the journey of Indore's garbage. Every morning, hundreds of trucks travel to doorsteps of every house to collect garbage. These trucks have 5 different bins. One for plastic waste, one for medical waste, another for domestic waste, one for electronic waste, and finally hazardous waste gets a bin as well. While throwing away their garbage, the people separate their wastes into these 5 bins. The waste is then taken into large facilities and recycled into fuel, into pipes, and even sold to private companies for a lot of money. Sewage water gets converted and used as fountains, and beautiful structures are created with waste materials all across Indore. And the credit goes to the people who bend down to clean the dirt on the streets, at their homes, and the people who have educated themselves about the negative impact of an unclean city and the positive impact of a clean one. Even better, 80% of the sanitation workers are women. When Indore can, why can't the rest of India? Stay on the ground with me until we make it.